777.
Yo, what's up guys,
Hold
my name is
position.
Yuri and
Attention
today
all
we're gonna be
aircraft.
flying
Airport is busy.
in London
Expect
region
delays.
from EGLL to up to Birmingham. So let's do it. Let's ask for a reback.
London Heathrow ground. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Ready for pushback. London Heathrow ground. Corporate 1027.
And like
Ready to
Sabers,
taxi.
it's not on its
Bravo
own.
India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Pushback approved. Pushback approved. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Corporate 1027. Give way to aircraft ahead. Give way to aircraft. Corporate 1027.
Slightly turning
London
to
Heathrow
the
ground.
right.
India Foxtrot Lima Yankee 786. Request taxi to parking. India Foxtrot Lima Yankee 786. Taxi to parking. Taxi into parking. India Foxtrot Lima
I want to be
Yankee
straight on the line, so I
786.
need to perfectly push back myself. Good.
United
ask for
1957
taxi.
Heavy. Contact
Flaps
London
10.
Heathrow Tower on 118.5. London Heathrow ground. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Ready to taxi. Contacting London
27
Heathrow
right.
Tower on 118.5. United 1957 Heavy. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Taxi to runway 27 right. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Corporate 1027. Taxi to runway 27 right. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right. Corporate 1027. London Heathrow ground. American 777. Ready for pushback. Speedbird 248 Heavy. Give way to aircraft on your right. Give way to aircraft. Speedbird 248 Heavy.
Turning to the left. Not sure if there is enough space for me to park, so I think I'm gonna just maybe stop. Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
London Heathrow
Beautiful
ground. American
sunrise,
777.
morning.
Ready for pushback.
A lot of planes in London.
American 777. Pushback approved. Pushback approved. American 777.
Now I need a bit move. Come on, move. Move. I don't know if he's gonna move or no.
London
Oh, yeah,
Heathrow
he's
ground. Speedbird 1994. Ready for pushback. Speedbird 1994. Pushback approved. Pushback approved. Speedbird 1994. November 537 November Sierra. Contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. London Heathrow ground, American 777, ready to taxi to runway 27 right. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, November.
Strobe lights on.
London Heathrow Tower, Muau 96 is 11 nautical miles to the east at
Departing straight up.
3,800 feet. Inbound for landing.
Okay, so we requested
London
our
Heathrow
takeoff.
Tower, Bravo India Romeo
There's
Delta
an-
Alpha
oh, there's someone
777, ready for takeoff at runway 27
AC-20.
right, departing straight
Landing.
out. Muau 96, enter straight in runway 27 left. Enter straight in runway 27 left, Muau 96.
Hold short.
Bravo
Hold short.
India Romeo Delta Alpha 777, hold short of runway 27 right. Holding short runway 27 right, Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. London Heathrow Tower, China Southern 6501 is 11 nautical miles to the northeast at 3,300 feet. Inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left. China Southern 6501, enter right base runway 27 left. Number 2, traffic to follow is on right base. Enter
Line
right
up and
base,
wait.
runway 27 left. Behind the traffic on right base.
Oh, EasyJet
China
landing.
Southern 6501. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right.
Okay,
Bravo India
lining
Romeo
up.
Delta Alpha 777. November 537 November Sierra. Request frequency change. November 537 November Sierra. Contact London Heathrow departure on 120.52. Contacting London Heathrow departure on 120.52, November 537 November Sierra. Easy 62, exit runway when able and contact ground.
Brakes.
Please expedite. Roger, Easy 62. Muau 96, number 1, runway
Calibrate.
27 left, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land, runway 27 left, Muau 96. China Southern 6501.
Okay, we are cleared
Cleared
for takeoff.
Runway 27 right. Bravo India Romeo Delta
40%.
Alpha 777. Corporate
Brakes off.
1027. Line up and wait runway 27
95%.
right. Line up and wait runway 27 right. Corporate 1027.
Rotate. Rotation speed. We are out of the ground. Gear up. Put it to right. Slide turn to the right.
London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 248 Heavy, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing east. China Southern 6501 make a left 360 for spacing. Corporate 1027, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Making a left
We request
360,
frequency.
China Southern 6501. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, corporate 1027. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777, request frequency change. Speedbird 248 Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up
Bit
and
too
wait
fast.
runway 27 right. Speedbird 248 Heavy. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Contact London Heathrow departure on 120.52. Contacting London Heathrow departure on
Requesting plan following to
120.52.
Birmingham.
Bravo India Romeo
Flaps
Delta
5.
Alpha 777. Bravo
Proceed on
India
course.
Romeo
Okay.
Delta Alpha 777 is 3 nautical miles northwest of London Heathrow at 5,300 feet. Requesting flight
2000.
following to Birmingham. Roger, Golf Mike Alpha November. Golf Mike Alpha November. Contact London Heathrow approach on 119.72.
It was a
Bravo
bit
India
problem
Romeo
with
Delta
our
Alpha
autopilot,
777.
but I think
Proceed on course to
it's fine.
Birmingham. Proceed on course. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777.
240
Contacting
knots.
London Heathrow approach on
Flap 0.
119.72. Golf Mike Alpha November.
Yeah, and Birmingham will be a bit foggy, so we need to be using our skills.
London Heathrow departure, corporate 1027, with you.
A bit of challenging approach, I think.
Corporate 1027, roger.
Okay, we are on our course to Birmingham. We will start our descent at EGDD down to 10,000 feet or 12,000 feet. Look how beautiful London is. Very nice.
Corporate 1027 is 5 nautical miles southwest of Denham at 6,600 feet, requesting flight following to London City. Corporate 1027, proceed on course to London City. Proceed on course, corporate 1027.
%5 to the right. Heading.
Hawaiian 228, say intentions.
Speed 340. feet up.
Stand by, Hawaiian 228.
323 heading. Not gonna be a very long flight, but it should be fun. Very nice. Big foggy. Visibility only 10 kilometers. Heading is 320. Okay. Landing lights off, seatbelts off, no smoking on. Because there's not allowed smoking on British Airways Airlines flights. In about when we will hit EGDD, we will start our descent. Or maybe we're gonna start right now. Landing lights, seatbelt light on. Down to not minus 3,000. Bit too much. 1,500 and down to 12,000 first. Speed 200 knots. 200 knots. Spoilers flight. Okay, and descending up down to Birmingham. I'm trying to find the frequency of Birmingham. Oh no, this one. EGBB. Where is it? I don't know, I can find it. Oh, it's online. Yeah. Thailand is ground and Thailand. Sorry if I spell your name wrong. Flaps 5. 210 knots. Okay, down to 200 knots to 4,000. Flaps 10. Okay, we're descending, which is good. Where is the frequency? I can't find our frequency of EGBB. Then 5% to the right, heading. Ooh, I think it's gonna be a challenging approach and landing. I think not landing will be challenging because it's only one knots crosswind, so don't think so. But it's gonna be fun. Okay, there's 3,000 because need to get down faster. Let's say 20 flaps. Okay, we're 2,400 feet down. Or wait, 324. I would say. Where is the Birmingham frequency? Oh, Birmingham, Unicum. Announce inbound, landing, runway 33. Straight in.
Birmingham Unicom, Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777 is 25 nautical miles to the southeast at 4,900 feet. Inbound for landing. We'll make straight in for runway 33.
Beautiful London region.
Birmingham Unicom, Tunisur 719 is taking off runway 33, departing east.
Okay, spoilers armed.
Birmingham Unicom, United 1957 Heavy is on final, runway 33. Birmingham Unicom, Hotel India Alpha Lima 666, taxiing to runway 33.
Here are some planes in Birmingham. Let's see who's there. Yes. SR-19 and landing 777. Okay. Get down. SR-20. Oh no, SR-20 heading. I'm waiting when they will add an approach up to land on the 747. I really want it. It's a beautiful aircraft, very nice flying aircraft. So I want to have an auto land. Hopefully in the future, developers will add it. It's 323 knots. Oh, heading. Okay, we're gonna be soon. Tower.
Roger. United 1957 Heavy.
Inbound
Birmingham
landing.
Tower. Bravo India
Who-
Romeo
let's see who
Delta
is-
Alpha
it's
777 is 16 nautical miles
Is
to the
tower.
southeast at 4,000 feet. Inbound for landing. Birmingham Tower. Tango Kilo Alpha
to see if we
815
can
India
respond,
Foxtrot
if we
is
can.
26 nautical miles to the south at 9,900 feet. Inbound for landing.
190 knots.
Tunis or 719.
Oh,
Runway
number one, cleared
33.
to land.
Cleared
Awesome.
for takeoff. Make right traffic. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 33. Tunis or 719. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Number 1. Runway 33.
3,500
Clear to
feet
land. Number
altitude,
1. Clear
and
to
mine
land.
is 300
Runway
down.
33. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Tango Kilo Alpha
I don't see the
815
runaway
India
yet,
Foxtrot.
but hopefully
Enter
we'll
straight
see
in
it soon.
runway 33. Number 2. Traffic to follow is on final. Enter straight in. Runway 33. Behind the traffic on final. Tango Kilo Alpha 815 India Foxtrot. Kilo Lima Mike 1906 Heavy. Runway 33. Cleared for
Speed
takeoff.
180.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 33. Kilo Lima Mike 1906 Heavy. Tunis or 719. Requesting departure to the east.
Okay, we're soon in this triangle. Landing triangle.
Tunis or 719. Departure to the east is approved. Tunis or 719. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Oh! Visibility up.
Frequency change approved.
Nice.
Tunis or 719.
325.
Tango
330.
Kilo Alpha 815
Oh, no, too
India
much.
Foxtrot. Number 2. Runway 33. Clear to land. Number 2. Clear to
227
land. Runway
heading.
33. Tango Kilo Alpha 815
In about in a minute, I
India
will take
Foxtrot.
my control. Okay, it's 3,000 feet.
Birmingham Tower.
After we will hit
Hotel India
3,000
Alpha
feet, I
Lima
will take my
666.
control.
Ready for takeoff at runway 33. Departing south. Hotel India Alpha Lima 666. Runway 33. Cleared for
Okay, now
takeoff.
2,500
Cleared
feet.
for takeoff. Runway 33. Hotel India Alpha Lima 666.
Okay, gear down. Gear is going down. I have calibrate and I have control. Flaps 25.
Kilo Lima Mike 1906 Heavy. Frequency change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved. Kilo Lima Mike 1906 Heavy. Good day.
Okay, I need to be concentrated on my landing
Birmingham
right now,
Tower.
so I will not be
Speed bird
talking too much.
880. Ready for takeoff at runway 33.
Decision,
Departing
landing.
straight out. Speed bird 880. Line up and wait runway 33. Line up and wait runway
wait.
33. Speed bird 880.
Where he's going to line up if I'm
Speed
landing.
bird 880. Runway 33. Cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 33. Speedbird 880.
Hopefully
Thank
we'll
you.
not get crashed
Good
into each
day.
other.
Speedbird
I
880.
need to go around. Flaps 30. knots.
Hotel India Alpha Lima 666. Frequency change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved. Hotel India
145
Alpha
knots.
Lima 666. Good day.
Okay. We are perfect on our
300.
approach. Minimum
200.
520 feet.
100. 50,
Power
40,
30,
20.
20, 10. Yeah. Very nice landing. Brakes. Spoilers off. Slaps off. Strobe lights off.
Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777.
Roger.
Exit runway when able.
Ground.
Contact ground on the taxiway. Roger. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777.
Other parking slot. Yeah. Turning toward taxiway. Brakes. Request taxi to park.
Birmingham ground. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Request taxi to parking. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Taxi to parking. Taxi into parking. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777.
Okay, we were cleared to taxi to parking. So yeah, it was very nice. Not challenging, but very nice landing. A bit foggy approach, but I enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it too.
Birmingham
And
ground.
yep,
Shuttle 456. Ready for
let's see a
pushback.
beautiful 747 from different sides. Let's see where our parking is. We'll just park on the right side.
Shuttle 456. Pushback approved. Pushback approved. Shuttle 456.
There's another Lufthansa, and it disappeared. I don't know why. Brakes. Want to be straight on line. Brakes. See how we are. Are we straight or no? Park. White brakes. Parking brake set. Beacon lights, landing lights, navigation lights, seat belts, no smoking lights off. Yeah, I want to say thank you. Good day.
Thank you. Good day. Bravo India Romeo Delta Alpha 777. Birmingham
Yeah, it was a
ground.
very nice,
Shuttle 456.
very nice
Ready
flight.
to taxi to runway
There's
15.
someone landing. Let's see
Shuttle
who's landing.
456. Taxi to runway 33. Contact
see who's
tower when
landing.
ready. Taxiing to runway 33. Shuttle 456.
767. Brian F. I don't even know who it is. But anyway, let's see his landing. He's doing good. Doing good. Nice landing. Very nice landing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.